It's 2 for Tuesday!
Hey, what you got there? That looks pretty cool.
Oh, this? It's WAGO's new 221 inline splicing connector. It just came out and I'm trying to use it for a lighting project I have, but I'm running into some issues.
From the looks of it, you need to figure out how much of that conductor you need to strip.
That, and I need something to strip the wire with. All I have is this plastic knife I found in the kitchen.
Okay, first, put the knife down. I have something better that will be a lot more useful.
Whoa, what's that?
It's WAGO's Quickstrip Vario wire stripper with an integrated wire cutter. It will strip any wire from 32 to 5 gauge up to 20 millimeters, or a little more than 3/4 of an inch.
This is fantastic, but I still don't know how much to strip for this 221 inline. There are a bunch of numbers on the side of the connector.
Well, do you see the arrows on the right side toward the bottom? It's got a number in the middle of them.
Oh yeah, it says 11. 11 what? It can't be inches, that would be like a foot long.
No, that stands for millimeters. That's quite a bit smaller. So what you want to do is take your wire stripper, squeeze the green guide and move it to 11. Make sure that the tab underneath where it says strip is moved to the plus sign to make sure it is a full strip.
Wow, that's great, and it's the correct length. All I needed to do was lift up the lever, insert the wire, and close it. That's it. Quick and easy and reliable.
WAGO's Quickstrip Vario wire stripper.
Stripping conductors for our 221 inline wire splicing connectors, making it unbelievable 2 for Tuesday.
Head to our website at www.wago.com/us/discover-tools to find out more and see our wire stripper in action.
And as you navigate there, you can simply click on the banner on the homepage or go to www.wago.com/us/discover-and-splicing-connectors/221, or simply click the link in the text above. Go there to learn more and request a free sample of our 221 inlines. Happy Tuesday.